Hi there! Welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Alright, now we are going to continue to learn about the phonics sound. Okay, this time our phonics sound consists of two letters. Alright, let's check what are they. Okay, and it's letter N and letter G. Okay, and together they make one sound, and the sound is Okay, now let's say the sound together, and don't forget the movement. Pretend we lift the heavy weight above our head and we say okay? Okay, can we do it together? Alright, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so when you see the letter N together with the G, what is the sound? Great. Okay, good job everyone. Alright, now we are going to see the pictures that have sound. Okay, let's start with this. This is my favorite thing to do. La 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 la. Do you know what is that? Yes, very good. Sing. Let's say it together. Sing. Okay, and then next we have this is the person who lives in the castle. Okay, and he is the couple of the queen. Yeah, who is that? Do you know? Yes, very good. King. Yes, the king. Okay, and the next we have this picture. Okay, this is the part of body of the bird, and then the butterfly, the bugs. Okay, do you know what picture is this? Very good. Wing. Okay, and the next this one we can find it in the playground, and I'm sure you guys love to play with this. Do you know what picture is this? Very good. Swing. Okay, and next we have this. This is the opposites of short. Yeah, the opposites of the short. What is that? Yes, long. Okay, short, long. Alright, and the last one we have this picture. Do you know what picture is this? Very good. It's a string. Okay, yay! Good job everybody. Alright guys, now it's time for riddle. Please enjoy.
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is the kind of jelly that we put on our finger. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's a ring. Yay! You did it, friends. Yes. Good job, friends. Good job, friends. Good job, good job, good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Alright, now let's have a review. Okay, we are going to say the words with sound. Okay, one by one. Don't forget when we say the word, let's do the movement. Okay, lift up our hand. Okay, let's start with this picture. Yeah, what picture is this? Great. Sing. Okay, next. Good. King. Alright, and then the next one. Very good. Wing. Okay, and then? Yes. Swing. Very good. How about the next one? Yes. Long. And the last one is? Good job. String. Okay, very good everyone. And now One more time, this is the letters, okay, and these two letters make one sound. And then what is the sound of these letters? Good job. Okay, yay, very good everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, and then thank you for watching. Goodbye.